Hello everyone, welcome to Videography. Today actually I will discuss in these 4 videos or 5 videos. I will discuss about different the sourcing criteria or from different suppliers. It is specifically for drop shipping or for product on demand if you are using it. It's especially for that. So let's get started. First, today our topic is Amazon, and first I will go with the pros of Amazon. The first pro is Amazon is that Amazon provides free shipping on Prime account. If you have Prime account, you will get the free shipping on all orders. Second one is competitive pricing. On Amazon, there are tons and millions of sellers, so that's why Amazon provides the competitive pricing, because every seller tries to sell it on the lowest price possible. Then the easy return on Amazon, you know that returning the order is very easy, so that is the big pro. And the next one is fast shipping and delivery, as Amazon logistics are one of the fastest logistics in the world, so that's why Amazon provide the fastest delivery. Then the next one is gift option to hide price receipt from parcel. That is the biggest pro, that in the Amazon you can also hide the gift, you can also hide price receipt from the order. While coming to cons, the biggest con is Amazon sending the product in its own packaging. That's the biggest con, because the customer on Etsy will know that you didn't ship the product by yourself, but instead you send that product from Amazon, and in that way he can complain to Etsy that I'm not getting the product from in the seller's package, but I'm getting the product in the Amazon's packaging, and this way Etsy will know that you are doing drop shipping, and Etsy will suspend your account. And that's it. So if we are going to source the product from Amazon, the sourcing criteria for Amazon is that product rating, the stars you see on the each product, that must be above 4. Okay, it must be 4 or above from 4.0. So make sure that your product must the product rating you are choosing, your sourcing must be 4 or above 4. The next one is feedback must be good, and the third one is product must be shipped by Amazon. So it doesn't matter if it is sold by Amazon or shipped by or sold by anyone, but it must be shipped from Amazon, because Amazon will never delay the delivery of the product. But other sellers, if they are shipping by themselves, that is fulfillment by merchant, if they are doing that, don't go for that product, because they will delay the order. So that's all for today. See the next video for AliExpress sourcing criteria. Thank you.